database question video series. In this video I'll be talking about the question set 17, and this question set 17 also is an continue of our question set 16. And here we have they have given us the 6 sub questions under the question set 17. And the first question: what is the relationship between student and subject? Can this relationship be in a database? So if I go to the our ER diagram, here we can have a relationship between our student table and the subject table, and it must be many to many relationship because one student can study several subjects, and the one subject can be studied by several students. So we have to make the many to many relationship here, and to store the data we have to create another table here. So, and if you go to the second question, create a relationship between student and the subject. So we have to create the relationship between our student table and the subject table. So as I told, it is an many to many relationship. So student has subject, and we can make this relationship as non-identified. The third question is: change the name of the table created above to student marks record. So we have to change the this student has subject table name to student exam mark record. So I have renamed the table name and create a relationship between table student exam mark record and the term exam. So we have to create the relationship between this exam student exam marks record and the exam term, and that relationship must be one to many relationship. And the fifth question is: add a column called mark to the student mark exam marks record table. Change the data type to double. So we have to add this mark column to our student exam mark record table and change the data type into double. So we have to add it here, and data type must be double. And the last question is: create a relationship between student and the class. So here also we have to make the one to many relationship. Student and the class. So here I have made the relationship between the student and the class table. So that's all about in the question set 17. Thank you.